Yes, the marking on 1911B blank plates has a purpose. Although both sides appear identical at first glance, there is a subtle difference in their design. The side marked underside is manufactured with a slight recess, while the opposing side remains flat. This distinction might not be immediately obvious, but it becomes noticeable upon closer inspection or when viewing the plate from an angle. The reason for the subtle difference lies in the intended mounting configuration. The recessed side, designated as the underside, is specifically designed to be positioned against the wall surface. This recessed feature serves to enhance the security and stability of the installation. By fitting snugly against the wall, the recessed side minimizes the risk of the plate being accidentally dislodged or easily removed. Conversely, the flat side of the plate is intended to face outwards, exposed to the external environment. This flat surface provides a convenient area for painting, decorating, or labeling, allowing for customization to match the surrounding decor or to clearly identify the contents of the electrical box. Therefore, while the two sides of the blank plate may initially appear the same, the subtle difference in their surface texture serves a practical purpose. The recessed underside ensures a more secure and stable mounting, while the flat side provides a readily accessible and customizable surface for external finishing. This design consideration contributes to both the functionality and the aesthetic appeal of the blank plate in electrical installations. Imagine a scenario where the blank plate is being installed to cover an unused electrical box opening in a wall. The recessed underside will sit flush against the wallboard, creating a tight seal and preventing any gaps or unsightly protrusions. This not only enhances the visual appearance of the installation, but also helps to prevent dust, debris, or insects from entering the electrical box. The flat outer surface can then be painted to match the wall color, effectively concealing the electrical box opening and seamlessly blending it into the surrounding environment. This attention to detail in the design of the blank plate reflects a focus on both functionality and aesthetics, ensuring that electrical installations are not only safe and reliable, but also visually appealing. Consider the alternative situation where the blank plate is installed with the flat side against the wall and the recessed side facing outwards. In this case, the recessed area would create a small gap between the plate and the wall, making it less secure and potentially allowing for movement or vibration. This could lead to the plate becoming loose over time, increasing the risk of accidental removal or damage. Furthermore, the recessed surface would be more difficult to paint or decorate, as the paint or decoration would need to be applied to an ununiform surface. This would result in a less professional and aesthetically pleasing finish. By adhering to the intended mounting configuration, with the recessed side against the wall and the flat side facing outwards, these potential issues can be avoided, ensuring a secure, durable, and visually appealing electrical installation. The design of electrical components, even seemingly simple ones like blank plates, often incorporates subtle features that serve a practical purpose. These features may not be immediately apparent, but they contribute to the overall functionality, safety, and aesthetics of the electrical system. By understanding the reasoning behind these design choices, installers and homeowners can ensure that electrical components are used correctly and that installations are performed to the highest standards.